Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we will be doing another soundbar review. This time, the brand name is T-Wolf S9 or S9 T-Wolf. Okay, that's Wolf, that's W-O-L-F. Okay, so the complete name is S9 T-Wolf Bluetooth bass speaker soundbar. Okay, it's very long, so we just call it the S90 Wolf. Okay, so I bought this again in Lazada. The store is capital Z -ONE, which is z-1.ph, all capital letters. So that's the store where I bought the S9 T-Wolf soundbar. Okay, so the T-Wolf, which is I'm gonna get now. Here's the box. It's in gray. I like the packaging actually. It's not cheap. It's not cheap looking. There you go. So the S90 Wolf is let's do some specs. It has some 5.0 version of the Bluetooth. It comes in black only. The whole body is a combination of ABS plastics and aluminum alloy. I think that's the grill. And it comes with two pieces of 5-watt speakers. So you have two 5-watt speakers inside. The battery is amazing. It's 2,200 milliamps as they advertise. So expect some long playing music. I guess if you have 2,200 milliamps versus the Apollo Supreme Power, which has 1,800 milliamps, so that one could actually play more than 5 hours. So if you have 2,200 milliamps, I believe you could play more than 5 hours or more than 6 hours of music, or even watch if you're binge watching some TV series in Netflix. Okay, the dimension is 31 by 6.1 by 6 centimeters cm. Okay, so let's try to open this one. So it's not a sliding one. It only opens here at the back. So what do we have in the box? We have the two usual cables. We got the charging cable and the aux cable. At least this one has an aux cable, and they're not skimping on the cables, unlike the Santex store. Okay, Santex has become like cheap already, and the last time I bought the power, which is this one, I bought the power and they didn't give me a ball pen, and so their excuse was they ran out of ball pens, so you didn't get a ball pen when we delivered it. So wow, what kind of marketing is that? What kind of customer support is that? So in fact, I chatted in the Lazada, their homepage in Lazada, and that's the reason. Oh, you didn't get it because we ran out of stock of ball pens. So why did you deliver the product? You've broken your marketing promise again. Included in the S90 Wolf is also the manual. Comes in Chinese and in English. I'm gonna place it there. So this is the product. It has some bubble wrap inside. Does it have the smooth plastic like in the Apollo? And yes, that's what I want to see. Just gonna place this here. Okay, so this is the T-Wolf. Let's unwrap some plastics here. Okay, so as you can see, that's the aluminum alloy, and the rest is plastic. Okay, so the thing here is you don't know where is up and where is down. So if you're right-handed, it's gonna be like this. So the controls should be here. So let's check out the materials. So this is the metallic grill. I suppose that's the alloy, the aluminum alloy that they're talking about. The rest is just smooth, including the bottom. There's no rubber stopper on the bottom, so I guess this is the bottom part where there's some electrical specs or some specs. Battery capacity 2200 milliamps. So model T-Wolf model S9. Okay, so that's the back part, not the bottom part. So the bottom could be here or it could be here. Okay, so this is the control panel. See it? So the control panel here from left to right is the plus and minus sign, the play and pause, plus minus sign, play and pause, and then the mode and the power. If you want to press the power, you need to press it 1 second. At the bottom, you'll have the USB port, which is good, the power supply, and also this is where the aux is as well, and the TF card. Okay. So let's turn on this baby.
Power on.
Power on.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. Okay. The Bluetooth mode lady is not as sexy as the other Bluetooth audio or voice prompts, but it's okay. So let's try to press the mode.
AUX mode.
Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
Okay.
AUX mode.
Okay, I'm very glad it doesn't have radio inside. Thank God. Okay. Let's try to play again the funky hip hop because that's no copyright music. So let's try this one. Let's increase the volume. Okay. It has a volume limiter. Since it has its own cable, let's try their own cable.
AUX mode.
Okay, so the aux cable is working fine. I have no problem playing with it or even transforming it from Bluetooth to the aux mode. So what else? So let's do some verdict about this. First and foremost, I just want to say to the T-Wolf maker, kudos to the box because I'm a marketing person and I'm into branding. At least you guys made an effort in presenting your product as a pleasing product, and it's good looking. Now it starts with the box because first impressions, and then the second impression is actually when you're using the unit itself. So the S9 T-Wolf is very good. As you can see, when we played the bass music from the Trap Wolves channel, the no copyright music that I always play and test for the bass, it performed well. So it's not as bassy as I want it to be, but it has a clear bass. It reminds me of the XM19 from Tilex. This one can do the highs and mids as well, and that's good for me actually. So this one, if you put it in maximum, it has a sound prompt telling you that you've reached the maximum volume, and once you've reached the maximum volume, whether you're in Bluetooth or in aux mode, the sound is very good. It's very clean. It's not, it won't damage your ears. So if you could use this for a prolonged time, even if you put it in maximum volume. The aesthetics, again, is very good, very clean, very minimal, even though there's no exhaust. I think the exhaust is here in front, the diaphragm. Let's try to open this one. Okay, so here's the aluminum grill, speaker grill. So this is the front. Okay, so this is the diaphragm or exhaust, and then this is the 5-watt speaker that they have. Look at that beauty. I like the shine when light reflects on the body of the ABS plastic. Now I like the finishing. It's like a piano black. What's my final verdict? The final verdict is it's a buy. It's a 5-star for me. It's a thumbs up. I like the way the sound that is being produced, that is being projected when you're playing it, even if it was in maximum volume. Okay, so what are you waiting for? Go to the z-one.ph z-1.ph store in Lazada. This one costs around 499 pesos plus delivery. So again, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for checking this product out with me. So see you next week for another product review. This is Charlie Jose, and you've just watched another episode of UpStreamCharlie. Goodbye!